Hey guys, it's Dallas of Dainty by Dallas here, and welcome to my channel. Yeah. That's the crowd going wild. You ain't hear 'em? You sure? Okay, just me? Okay. Anyway, welcome to my channel. It's my first YouTube video. I'm sick of y'all telling me I'm entertaining. Yeah, I'm sick of that. Well, I kind of am, but still. Anyway, thank you for coming to hang out with me today. This is my first YouTube video. I'm gonna make it interesting. Guess what I'm doing? A BoxyCharm unboxing. Okay, if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. You take a survey, and based on your skincare and makeup needs, they will curate the box to fit you. This box is $25 a month. They also have a luxe box that is $49.99, I think, a month. But again, this is the regular box. This is the June 2020 box. This is like my third or fourth box. I'm always so pleased with BoxyCharm. I always love my boxes. They always send me things I need. I always get makeup brushes, eye creams, skin creams, eyeshadow palettes, pretty much everything I need. So let's get into the box. And we open the box. I've been in here already. And here's the box. This card just tells you everything that's in the box, and it gives you the retail price. Okay, let's start with a lip liner trio from Beauty Vault. I've heard of Beauty Vault, but I've never, just the name sounds familiar. Let's see what these retail for. Beauty Vault lip liner trio, they retail for $18. Our lip liners are buttery smooth. They glide on and blend easily. They are richly pigmented and long wearing. Says you. They are full size. That's what I love about BoxyCharm. You get full size products. Full size. And here are the colors. Okay, let's start with the first one. She is Natty Nat. She would go great with a red lip. She really would. And then next is kind of a coralish brown, and she's called Bo Babe. And the next, which I think is my favorite because it's the closest to nude, this is Cozy Kara. Yeah, because I can barely see Cozy Kara. Yeah, me and Cozy Kara are going to get along. Just great. So again, that is the Lip Liner Trio by Beauty Vault, which I think I will definitely use. Definitely. Next product is the QMS Intensive Eye Cream. Let's see what it does. QMS Intensive Eye Cream, a nurturing formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for sensitive skin around the eyes, which I need because unfortunately, yeah. A multi-action formulation featuring naturally firming extracts and intensely moisturizing ingredients. We'll see. It helps to reduce fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. That's what I filled out for in my survey. The retail price is $132. Really, girl? You must be good and strong. Okay. Okay, QMS Intensive Eye Cream. I'm going to give her a go. There's no smell. Just has that smell like cream smells. Yeah. That's it. No smell. $132, girl. You gotta work. Okay. The next up is the Glassy Skin Balm. The Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm by Touch and Soul. Let's see what she does. And an ultra hydrating priming, I like a primer, priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Okay, girl, now. Okay, don't be making them them tall claims now. She smells pretty. I'm about to hold it up like you can smell it, but yeah, it's the light, like a faint citrus smell, which I appreciate. I don't like products that are like super strong with artificial scents. It's gonna irritate my skin anyway. Our fourth product, Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Sugar Daddy. I love Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powders. I have about 5 of them already. I'll read them in case you don't know about them. Diamond Glow Powders were created with versatility and customization in mind. Skip. It's designed for all skin tones and types, so everyone can find their go-to glow. This retails for $27. I will take her out. This is new packaging. The ones I have different packaging. And I will swipe her for ya. Okay, Sugar Daddy. Okay, Sugar Daddy. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Sugar Daddy. I actually already have Sugar Daddy. I have Sugar Daddy. I have Le Peach. I have Le Bronze. I have a few. I can't remember the names, but I know I have about 5 of them. I love them. Anyway, next up is the final item in the box, and it's the Shared Planet Tiger Collection Eyeshadow Palette. Let's read about her. She retails for $48. This palette contains 12 richly pigmented shades inspired by the color of nature's most magnificent animals in their habitats. Ooh. She's pretty and she's neutral. Hold up. If you love neutrals like I do, this is perfect for your everyday makeup looks. I'll swatch a few. It's called Shared Planet, and it was inspired by the tiger. And all of the names are tiger names. They have Siberian, Clawed, Predator, Bengal, Stripes, Lush, that's gorgeous, Paw Print, Whiskers. What I will do is swatch a few for you. Stripes is black. I'll swatch Stripes. Ooh, it's nice and dark. Let's swatch Predator because I think this would be pretty in the crease. Pretty. Let's swatch Paw Print. She's a pink shimmer, like a pinky nude. You can see her. She shines. Let's try Roar. Oh. She's a little patchy. Let's hope that's just the way I dug in her. Let's do one more. Shere Khan. It's kind of a brown. Oh, that's pretty. That's prettier than I thought it was going to be. This would be pretty on the lid. Okay, Shared Planet. My next video, I will do a look using this eyeshadow palette because I always use my BoxyCharm items. Always. I always love them. I've gotten eyeshadow palettes from Pure. I've gotten a few. I got one from Tarte. So yeah, you definitely get name brand full size products, which I love. So these are the June 2020 items from the BoxyCharm box. If you're thinking about it, at least try it out for a month and then you can just cancel it if you don't like it. I'm thinking about upgrading to the Luxe box, maybe 1 or 2 months, just to see, you know, if I really like it. But so far, I'm so pleased with BoxyCharm. Like I said, if you're thinking about it, do it. This is well over $300 worth of products for $25. And if you are a makeup enthusiast and skincare girl like her, like moi, you'll love it. I love it. It saves me from shopping for, you know, extra makeup things. You never know what eyeshadow palettes to get or what skincare to get. So I'm hoping this QMS does what it says it does, because if it does, it's going to be perfect for me. I'm definitely going to use the lip liners, the Diamond Glow powder, like I told you I already used. And yeah. So I think that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me on my first YouTube video. I think this is going to be a fun journey. Just stick with me and let's ride out the storm. Yeah, I said ride out the storm. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.